Hi dear students, here is a great day for biology, NEET biology. The chapter is called as Human Anatomy and Physiology. So it's a highly weighted chapter in entire biology. Almost 13 to 15 questions come from this chapter alone. So this is definitely a deciding point of your success in NEET. Okay, that's why we need to concentrate a little bit more on this human anatomy and physiology. Here I have started the tissues. Why? Because tissues are the basic approach. They are the basics, the fundamentals of human anatomy and physiology. So in NEET Biopro videos, in earlier videos, we have discussed the histology, the animal tissues, isn't it? Now we are going to today I will be having the introduction on human anatomy and physiology. Okay, we take the food, bachon. We take the food. Do you take the food? Yes, we take the food. I take the food. We take the food. Why we take the food? Yes, we take the food, of course. Some khatta meeta khao, bachon. Some khatta meeta khao. Yes, khatta meeta. Yes, you khao. And we take the water also, isn't it? We take the water. Yes. Why we take the food? Why we take the food? That's the basic question here. The food taken. Because you say your answer is always to release the energy, isn't it? To release the energy. We take the food in order to release the energy. But is the food taken directly is released to the energy? No. Before release of the energy and after taking the food, there is some process going on. What is the process going on? You know this one. What is that? Digestion. Digestion and absorption. Digestion and absorption will take place. After taking the food, before release of the energy, there is a process called as digestion and absorption. Clear? For this digestion and absorption, what is required? A digestive system is required. The first chapter here, the digestive system here, called as here, digestion and absorption. And here the NEET weightage is almost 2 to 3 questions will come here. So it's a very, very important chapter, isn't it, bacho? It's a very important chapter here. In NCERT lines, we had to concentrate more. Of course, a few points, crucial points are missing. Therefore, between the NCERT lines, we had to cover from this as well here in your biopsy videos. Okay, when we take the food, okay, I'll draw this diagram here. When we take the food, esophagus, so esophagus, stomach and duodenum. This is the J-shaped structure called as stomach and this is the duodenum. The food in the main part of the digestion is duodenum, the small intestine here, the first part, and the main part of small intestine is duodenum. And after the food is digested, it is absorbed. Various parts of the small intestine are there here. The food is absorbed into the blood here. This here is the blood, isn't it? The food is absorbed into the blood. The blood is carried, of course, by the blood vessels. I'm writing here, blood vessels. Okay. This is a representation of total blood vessels, isn't it? Example. So these blood vessels, they carry the digested food. This called as absorption here because after the food is digested, it need to be absorbed into the blood. So digestion and absorption here. And it must be carried to which one? What is the target here? It must be carried to the cells. For example, these are the body cells here. is a representation of the total body cells, for example. Okay, so this is a cell, and here a structure called as mitochondria takes here across the plasma membrane. Okay, the digested food here, the simpler molecule called as micromolecule, for example here glucose, because already digestion takes place, isn't it? The complex food particles, the macromolecules, are broken down into the simpler substances called as the micromolecules. What is a micromolecule here? For example, glucose. And glucose is carried across the plasma membrane into the cell. Is the glucose enough for release of energy? No. Along with the glucose, what is required here? Oxygen is required. Okay. Now, which one is taking oxygen? Respiratory system is there much more. See here, lungs, representation of lungs, for example here trachea, here bronchi, okay, and of course here lungs. Okay, they take the oxygen. Oxygen is carried again by the blood vessels. See here, oxygen is hitherto glucose is carried. Now oxygen is also carried by the blood vessels. Oxyhemoglobin is formed in the blood. And oxygen is supplied across the plasma membrane again here and carried to the mitochondria here. So glucose plus oxidation. In this way, glucose is destroyed, degradation, oxidation of the glucose molecule. What is oxidation? Destruction or degradation of the glucose molecule in the presence of oxygen. That's nothing but catabolism. A destructive process takes place here. It is nothing but here internal respiration or cellular respiration, because it is occurring inside the cell, and internally it's occurring here. That's why it's called as the internal respiration here. Simple, isn't it? So here we are covering which one? Digestion, absorption, and next one is the respiratory system called as here breathing and exchange of gases. Breathing and exchange of gases here. Simply called as a respiratory system here, isn't it? Breathing and exchange of gases, it covers in need almost here also 2 questions almost here. Of course, it's not here 2 to 3, sometimes 3, sometimes 2, and here also around 2 questions here. Breathing and exchange of gases, respiratory system. Okay, this is glucose, oxygen and water, of course. This is here destroyed. And which one is carrying this one, Bachu? Glucose is carried to the cells by the blood vessels, that is circulatory system, and oxygen is also carried by the blood vessels blood to the cells for metabolism. So which one is carrying this glucose and oxygen and water and other stuff which is required for metabolism here? The circulating fluid here, the circulating fluid of the circulatory system, that is body fluids and circulation. Body fluids and circulation here. Body fluids and circulation, simply called as circulation. Simply called as circulation here. This is also here around 2 questions here. Chiefly blood, the composition of blood, ECG. Many times the ECG question came. We'll be discussing later on here. Okay. After this metabolism, some nitrogenous wastes are formed. They must be eliminated outside the body. If they are not eliminated and accumulated inside the body, what happens? It disrupts the metabolism. It leads to the disorder and disease. So they must be the excretory wastes of the metabolism. They must be eliminated, and that's the duty of excretory system here. Excretion. Nitrogenous waste, that is here excretion, that is excretory system here. Elimination of the nitrogenous wastes here. Clear, students? So here these are the 4 systems, and of course other systems which is called as here human reproduction, that is a different chapter here, not here included. So all the different body systems are controlled and coordinated by 2 systems called as here integrating system. What is integrating system here called as I'll discuss here. So there is an integration system or integrating system? Integrating system. Why integrating system? Because integration means combining. National integration to Hindustan hamara hai, isn't it? India is us. Despite different cultures, isn't it? In the same way here. Integrating system means it integrates the total human body. Even though human body has a diversity of systems. One is a different system, blah, blah, blah. Many systems are there. And all the systems are integrated, combined, joined by integrating system. Clear? This integrating system is comprised of two aspects. One is the endocrine, other is the nervous. Endocrine and nervous. Here endocrine means here is given as chemical coordination and integration. Chemical coordination and integration. This nervous system is given as neural control and coordination. In NCERT is given. And is from NEET perspective, endocrine system is a very, very important chapter. All the human anatomy and physiology, very, very important and interesting chapter is endocrine system. It consists of almost 3 questions, regular questions are there. Very, very important chapter. You have to concentrate more. Okay. Next one is the nervous system. 2 questions almost here. How many are there? Almost here 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, and here I forgot here. What is that? 2 almost here. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 questions. Isn't that what I told you? 13 to 15 questions. Yeah. Got it? Got the count? We'll be discussing one by one in detail. Okay, in the next video, I'll be discussing here the introduction of digestion, absorption. After introduction, we'll be discussing the alimentary canal and digestive glands, of course, physiology, disorders. We'll be discussing why one, blah, blah, blah here. And the next video will be coming up soon in the next video here for the introduction of digestion, absorption here. Okay, students, till then, God bless you all. Bye bye to all of you.